Hey folks, this is Ablas and today we are going for an exciting exploration of one of the most luxurious apartment in Bannerghatta Main Road. Welcome to the Sattva Aqua Vista. Spanning an impressive 2.98 acres, Sattva Aqua boasts ultra spacious 3 BHK plus 3 toilet of 2290 square feet homes. Strategically located just 1.7 kilometers away from Nice Road, plus you'll be thrilled to know that hospitals, schools and shopping malls are within a convenient 10 minutes travel distance. Let's take a closer look at what makes Sattva Aqua Vista so special. From the moment you step into the grand lobby, you will feel like you are being welcomed into a world of elegance and sophistication. Prepare to be amazed by the world-class premium interior of the living room. It's a space that seamlessly blends comfort and style, perfect for relaxation and creating lasting memories. Moving on, the dining and kitchen areas are incredibly spacious. Designed to fulfill all your culinary dreams, cooking and enjoying meals in the modern and stylish setting will be an absolute delight. Now let's check out the master bedroom with its breathtaking outside view. Imagine waking up to the serene beauty of the surroundings every single day. Not to be outdone, the second bedroom offers the same level of luxury and comfort. It's a space that truly feels like a personal oasis. And let's not forget the little ones. The kids' bedroom is designed to exceed their expectations, providing a playful and comfortable environment they absolutely adore. Sattva Aqua Vista goes above and beyond when it comes to amenities. There's a multi-purpose party hall for your special occasions, a refreshing swimming pool to take a dip, a well-equipped gym to keep you fit, and an array of indoor games such as golf simulators and table tennis. That's not all. The outdoor area features a multi-purpose game court, a cricket practice court, and outdoor gym, a kids play area, and even an amphitheater. There's something for everyone. And finally, let's take a moment to appreciate the awe-inspiring lake-facing view of Agrahara Lake. It's a sight that will leave you in awe day after day. I hope you enjoy this virtual tour of Sattva Aqua Vista. If you are considering booking a home in this magnificent residential heaven, feel free to contact us directly. Remember, we charge zero brokerage fees and offers you free site visits. Stay connected with the Digital Team family and I'll catch you in our next video. Bye bye.